Hello again. Another quick tutorial. This is for those people that are looking to complete their occupational health and safety, their OHS modules. One way that you might be able to find them is in your email. You would have received an email at some point from the title Works. So if you were just to search up here in your email search bar for Works, perhaps that would get you where you need to go. Another way to do this is to go to this bookmark folder where I'm wiggling my mouse here on the top left. If you click on Canyon Staff and you would go to Behavior and Safety Reporting, that would take you where you need to go as well. That's probably the easiest way. If that's not showing up for you, go to the canyonschool.ca website, scroll to the bottom, Livingston Range website, click on there. On the staff link here, you're going to click on the plus sign, and then you're going to click on the words staff links right here. Scroll down in this list, you are looking for health and safety. Click on health and safety. This grid should pop up and you're looking for staff training. So you click on staff training. It may ask you to verify if you are indeed you. So if that's your first name, last name, and the correct email address, just click when it's correct. Make any changes if you need to. Then it's going to take you into your course list. I'm a little embarrassed to show how many courses I have left to do, but that is what it is. And so you would click Start and take a course. It gives you a bit of time as to how long the course is supposed to take. They do have associated due dates. I wouldn't worry about them too much right now. If you have time though, so support staff, this would be you for sure right now as you're at home. I would suggest you complete these OHS courses as you're working at home. And that's about it. There's no need to print your certificate. You can print it or save it if you wish, but there's no need to do that as you complete the course. Send me an email if you have any questions about accessing your OHS modules and information. Thank you.